In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right HeyGen pricing plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to compare, so you can pick a plan that fits your workflow and budget with confidence. Start by heading to HeyGen's homepage. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click the profile icon. This opens your account menu and is the quickest way to reach your subscription controls. From that menu, select Upgrade Plan. That takes you to the dedicated pricing and features area where all available plans and their details are laid out side by side for easy comparison. Begin by clicking on Free. Use this as your baseline. Here, read through the plan features carefully. You're looking for things like how many monthly credits you get, any limits on video length, export quality, watermarking, access to avatars and voices, and whether commercial use is included. Free is ideal if you're testing the platform, learning the workflow, or producing very light, occasional content. It helps you understand the tool without a financial commitment, but pay attention to limits so you're not surprised mid-project. Next, click on Creator and review its plan features. This tier is generally designed for consistent solo creators who need more runway than the free tier. Look for increases in monthly credits, higher export quality, broader avatar and voice options, faster rendering, and any usage rights upgrades. If you find yourself hitting caps on the free plan or you want cleaner professional outputs without restrictions, Creator often strikes the right balance between capability and cost. Then click on Pro and examine those features. Pro is typically geared toward heavy production needs or advanced creators who require higher limits and advanced options. Here you might see substantially more credits, priority processing, expanded asset libraries, and additional controls meant to support demanding schedules. If your workflow involves frequent videos, tighter turnarounds, or more complex projects, the advantages in Pro can pay for themselves in saved time and smoother delivery. As you compare across tabs, focus on what you actually produce in a typical month. Match your expected video count, average length, and desired quality to the listed quotas and options. Note whether pricing is shown monthly or annually, and read any notes about credit usage, overages, rollover, and seat availability if relevant. Features can evolve, so rely on what's displayed in the plan details at the time you're choosing. With these comparisons, you'll have a clear view of Free, Creator, and Pro, and you'll be ready to select the plan that fits your needs today while leaving room for growth.